Hi, I'm Lesley Logan. Today we're going to talk about walking here as part of your leg series on your Spine Corrector.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates-loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So walking on your Spine Corrector is very similar to walking on your leg springs on the Cadillac. And it's very easy to cheat on this exercise. So I'm going to definitely talk with you about how you cannot cheat and what you can get the most out of it. Walking is also part of a series, just like on the leg springs and in the leg series on the Spine Corrector, it is in an order. Now, do you have to do every exercise in the order? No, you do the exercises that are right for you. So if you're looking at the flashcards from OnlinePilatesClasses.com barrel stack, you'll see this long list of leg series exercises. And you may pull some of the cards out until you're ready to add those ones in. And that's totally fine. But walking will typically come after circles or small circles, right? So it goes frogs when you're brand new, then that goes away and used as a transition. Then you have circles, small circles, walking. But you might go from circles to walking depending on your level, and that's okay. All right. I will show you how I'm going to get into this, but typically you'd already be set up for this exercise. So you want to sit just shy of the apex. Then you have one foot on the step, one leg out, and you slide onto your shoulders. You have your heels, the other toes apart, you're frogged in. So remember, we're already frogged in, already set up for this exercise. When we get to walking, you'd frog out, and this is different. You're not going to frog out low. You're going to frog out a little higher. So you start at the top of a diagonal. One leg moves, the other leg doesn't. Then the other leg moves, and then you step up to 6 steps without arching your back, and then walk, 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 walk. What we're not doing is this, both legs scissoring past each other like little scissors. It's one step, then another step, then another step, then another step. And then you walk up, 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 up. Cool? So you do 3 sets. You go as low as you can, up to 6 steps. Hug the heels, the other toes apart. Frog those legs in. Then you would frog out for the next exercise. For most people, that would be beats. And you'd continue on with the leg series that's appropriate for you. If you have questions about this, put it in the comments below. Happy to answer that when we go live on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time. If you're an OnlinePilatesClasses.com member, make sure you ask us your questions in the members only community where we talk about that every day. And also we can give you feedback on your form while holding you accountable to your Pilates practice. If you're interested in being an OPC member, go to OnlinePilatesClasses.com/YouTube. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.